Yeah, and what's his name?
What was his name?
I don't remember.
You don't remember what our pal's name is? That's from Santa's workshop?
Yeah.
That who comes visits us? Who visited us last year?
It was a Christmas gnome.
It wasn't a gnome. Although Mommy has a lot of gnomes and that's part of it. But it wasn't a gnome.
He kind of like a gnome.
Kind of like a gnome, but the name of it starts with an E.
Looks like a lot.
Oh.
Looks amazing.
Do you know?
And then they also
The
have
answer
this library
is
in here, and
the elf on the shelf.
computers out.
Dude.
Like a work
Remember
area.
Nico, our elf? That elf on the shelf?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nico.
Nico.
Look at everything.
My dog. Nico.
Don't bump the table.